EPR Magazine. So can you start by telling us a bit about yourself and your company's background?
Yeah, hi, myself Shravan Gupta, founder and managing director of Cosmic PV Power Private Limited. We are Surat based solar module manufacturer, having two module manufacturing unit in Surat. One is for poly and mono full cell technology, and another is one for half cut mono cell technology. The cumulative capacity of both the plant is 800 megawatt per annum.
So what distinguishes Cosmic PV Solar from the other solar energy companies in the market?
See, Cosmic PV Power is like OEM preferred manufacturer for many brands. So this is how we have distinguished ourselves in this market. So we are manufacturing more than 25 plus brands in their own name. So by doing so, we are pretty much different from so many manufacturers. And our modules comes in all the range from 40 watt to 650 watt. So we have basically all the range of modules, and we have dealer distributor networks through which we are supplying into the market, and also being preferred OEM partner in this country, we are having good quality setup at our plant.
So how is Cosmic PV Power planning to leverage the PMSUJA Yojana?
See, it's a kind of a scheme which everybody is talking nowadays, and I would like to thank our Prime Minister Narendra Modi for this scheme, because this scheme brings a lot of positive news and boost for this industry. Now solar panels are going to cater the mass market. So when mass market or consumer directly get involved, retail consumers, so the products demand gets always like increases, like so we have huge demands coming across the country due to this scheme, and we expect that this demand is going to multifold in coming years. So at the end of the day, they are going to buy solar panels. So as a manufacturer, one of the India's fastest growing solar module manufacturing unit, so I believe that it's a kind of positive news for myself also, and for our peers companies also.
So what are the major challenges in this industry, and what are your inputs on the company's future plan?
The major challenges are pretty much similar to other industry, you can say. The first challenge I would like to mention is manpower. We are always short of skilled manpower, so we always train new people, but they leave us after getting the knowledge, most of them. So because we are always looking for skilled manpower for this industry. I am talking about production side. And second the biggest challenge is like every year you will find that there is a new technology in the solar module manufacturing. So this brings shift in the technology. So it forces us to change our manufacturing setup accordingly. So it requires a lot of huge capital when you go for a new manufacturing line. But yes, this shift is there. Every year technology change in the industry, and we upgrade ourselves and meet the customer expectation.
So how has exhibition like the Intersolar Expo helped the industry?
See, honestly speaking, Intersolar is one of the finest platform we have available in this country, and I personally is a big fan of this. Intersolar we are doing from the last 4 or 5 years, and we are getting very good response. The footfall is pretty much genuine here, and the people coming to us are related to the solar industry only. We save our time and money as well. So I believe, every year I praise Intersolar for the effort they bring into the account, and so that the people from our industry coming afterward with their effort. They also conduct few multi-cities, gathering, networking meetings, and they ask EPC players to come to the Intersolar platform, which is a very good effort they are making. So I appreciate Intersolar for bringing us all together.
So what range of product and solution are you showcasing in the Intersolar event?
We are showcasing our M10 mono half cut modules. M10 technology is new to the market, and now people are asking for that panel. So you can find 550 watt mono PERC bifacial module, as well as we are showcasing our top one modules, and black frame, black back sheet M10 technology modules are here, which are basically for export market. So yes, we are showcasing all kind of solar panels available in the market right now, as well as we are also just showcasing ourselves as how preferred OEM company we are. And we just recently signed one MOU with our machine supplier, another line of 600 megawatts. We have just given order to them for TOPCon technology. So with this addition, Cosmic is going to having the capacity of 1.2 gigawatt, and this is our small journey from megawatt to gigawatt. The poster speaks itself here. So yes, we are using this platform, this opportunity, as showcasing our kind of the manufacturing unit and the quality process we have. At the same time, how much we are expanding. So we are utilizing this opportunity to showcase both the things.
Thank you, sir.